Hello everyone and welcome to our Q&A live session about the trading calculator from Deriv. I'm Jasmine and today we'll discuss how to make the most of this essential trading tool. Before we begin, please note that this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. It is considered accurate at the correct date of publication. Don't forget changes in circumstances after the time of publication may impact the accuracy of the video. Okay. Let's get started by addressing some frequently asked questions. So first, you may wonder what the trading calculator is used for. This powerful tool helps you estimate margin requirements, calculate bid values, determine your swap fees for your CFD trades. In other words, you can use your margin, bid value, and swap calculator to estimate these values for all your CFD trades on Deriv MT5, cTrader, and Deriv X. So you can easily find the trading calculator on our website under the trading section or access it directly through deriv.com/trading/calculator. The calculator is compatible with multiple platforms, including Deriv MT5, cTrader, Deriv X, making it versatile for your trading needs. Now, you may be wondering how accurate is the CFD trading calculator? Well, our calculator is designed to be as accurate as possible using industry standard formulas. However, please know that trading involves risk, and results may vary based on your account leverage and the instruments you're trading. Okay, so did you know you can check the minimum volume of each symbol in the CFD platform, finding our trading specifications on our website? Just a heads up. The trading specs on our website gets updated every single month, so it is always best to double check the specs directly in your MT5, cTrader, Deriv X platforms, and so forth. Not sure where to find them? No worries. You can watch our video how to use the Deriv Trading Calculator on our YouTube channel for a step-by-step guide. Okay, so based on our recent client inquiries, let's address some specific concerns traders often have. When it comes to calculating swap fees, there are different formulas depending on your trading instruments. So for synthetics, for example, the swap charge is calculated by multiplying volume, contract size, asset price, and swap rate divided by 100, then followed by 360. So for financial markets, the swap in points are calculated by dividing volume in lots, contract size, point size, and swap rate. However, you don't need to memorize these formulas, and the our calculator can do that for you. Okay, so regarding margin requirements, it is important to understand that the minimum amount needed varies by asset. Our calculator helps you determine if your value funds are sufficient before opening a position. This is crucial for proper risk management and trading planning. So when it comes to bid value calculations, our calculator provides accurate values for different instruments. This information is essential as it helps you understand potential profits and losses before entering a specific trade. You can find this information easily in the calculator's dedicated section. So we'd now love to hear from you. Let's open the floor to your questions. Whatever you're curious about how to use calculator features, need help understanding calculation formulas, we want to know about trading specifications, or have other specific calculator related questions, go for it. This is your time to ask. So we have a question about what is BIP specifically. So BIP is a unit measurement that stands for price movements in currencies or percentage in point. You will be able to calculate this and also know what it is more by accessing the trading calculator. If anyone has any account-specific questions, I highly recommend that you reach out to our customer support team. Directly, they are the ones with the instruments and are available to help you with your account-specific queries. So in case anyone ever feels, or faces any technical issues in real time with the calculator itself, please try to refresh the page. And if the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. I thank you all very much for joining us today. You have helped make this session informative and valuable. And remember that the trading calculator is here to make you feel more informed while making your trading decisions. For any additional support, you can always visit our help center, contact our customer support team, and don't forget to check out our trading specifications page. Stay tuned for more educational videos coming soon. Bye-bye.